Students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find solution for the fourth question in exercise 7.2. So let's take up the first subdivision, integral of x to the power 3 by 2 plus 2 e power x minus 1 by x dx. So now let's break it into simpler integration. So integral of x power 3 by 2 dx plus integral of 2 e power x dx minus integral of dx by x. So I can rewrite this as integral of x to the power 3 by 2 dx. I'm taking the 2 outside. So 2 into integral of e power x dx minus integral of dx by x. Let's actually do the integration. So x power n is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So this will be x power 5 by 2 by 5 by 2 plus 2 into integral of e power x is e power x minus integral of dx by x is log x plus c. So now I can rearrange this as 2 by 5 x to the power 5 by 2 plus 2 e power x minus log x plus c. So now let's take up the second subdivision in this question. It is integral of root x minus 1 by root x the whole squared dx. So first I'm going to apply the formula a minus b the whole square within the integral. So this is integral of a squared, which is root x the whole square is simply x, plus b square. So 1 by root x the whole square is simply 1 by x, minus 2ab. So minus 2 into root of x into 1 by root x will be simply minus 2 the whole thing dx. Now it's easy to break the whole thing into smaller parts. So integral x dx plus integral dx by x minus 2 into integral dx. Now integrated. So this will become x squared by 2 plus log x, and this will be minus 2x plus c. In the next video, we will find solution for the fifth question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.